Good morning, you guys. I just got back a few days ago from an amazing trip to Epcot, Walt Disney Epcot. Now they've since closed it, and this is a few days before that. But check out my day of debauchery there. I went with Chris and their daughter Cassie. We're going to Disney. Woo-hoo! Woo! So we're on our way to Epcot. Is it Epcot Center? Epcot. Epcot. I don't know why I threw the center on there with Chris, and we got Cassie in the back. Hi. But our first stop, we have a 2-hour drive, so we have to get coffee. We're at the happiest place on earth. Isn't that what they call it? Yay! Now, we really planned ahead. We printed off a bunch of things and we circled all the food items we want to eat and
food and beverage.
Yeah, we've been talking about this for days now, so we're gonna conquer this.
We have Irene all psyched up.
Yeah, now poor
to
Chris, she's had a procedure on her foot, so she's on a knee scooter.
Bring my own stool with me.
We will not be stopped.
Okay. Take a picture with your phone. With your phone.
Daisy!
Great.
Daisy! Okay, we can go now. That's what I came for. Okay, we have a, what is this called? Sugar cane shrimp skewer served with steamed rice and coconut lime sauce. That looks pretty amazing.
Ready?
Do it. Is it good? Okay, I'm going in.
Okay.
This is a tropical mousse cup.
It looks delicious.
Isn't it so cute? But this shrimp skewer is calling my name.
In the verdict?
It's good. It's coconutty, a little spicy, creamy. And ooh, cilantro. Loving that.
Okay,
Try that.
you try it. Try it
I
first.
got a lot going on there. Okay. That makes me happy.
Woo, there it is.
So wet. It's almost sherbety because of the pineapple.
It's like pineapple sherbet, yes.
Because it's not creamy.
Yep.
It's like ice melt
Get
almost.
yourself a spoon right there.
Uh-oh, brain freeze. Ah! Whoa! You scored, Chris.
Holy cow, it's the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And I got the good stuff.
Nice.
Woo.
Okay, the Dole Whip is good, but I actually think I would like it better if it was vanilla soft serve ice cream with pineapple. Right.
Some of them they do as a twist.
Oh.
That Magic Kingdom.
It's gonna be more like a creamsicle with pineapple kind of thing.
The raspberry one is good too.
I like it. I'm not positive I would get it again. Maybe the day just needs to be hotter.
They serve them with alcohol too.
Oh no.
The ones with rum in it.
It's too early in the morning yet. And we have a ride coming up. I don't know where we're going, but we're going.
We're going on Soarin.
Oh, Soarin. That's what you guys told. A couple of you said to go on Soarin if we're going on one ride.
Yeah.
Go on Soarin. So we're going on Soarin. You just got it out of the first ride we did. What was it?
Living with the Land.
Living with the Land, and the greenhouse part of that was really cool. But the ride we just got off of was Soarin'. And
Irene screamed the whole time.
I really did.
Fabulous.
So you sit down in this row of chairs and then it elevates, but it's an IMAX theater. And you're flying like you're in like a hang glider or something all over the world. And it was very frightening and I had to turn away a little bit, but then I got the hang of it. I did scream for sure. They wouldn't let me film, of course, so I couldn't, but I recommend going on that ride for sure. Okay, we're on the hunt for more food, and now we're going to the country area of Epcot.
World Sugar.
Let's do it.
One orange drink.
Thank you.
Chicken.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Okay, so we have the crispy citrus chicken with orange aioli and baby greens, and I also got the citrus shortcake with orange fond cake, lemon curd, mandarins, whipped cream, and citrus crumble. Told you I was eating my way across Epcot today. We're in France! Oh, Beauty and the Beast!
Ratatouille.
Oh, Ratatouille!
There's Aurora over there.
No, man.
Cute!
They're working on a ride.
What did you find, Cassie?
I got seafood foil and then Cajun oyster.
Ooh. on your own there.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it.
I'll eat the whole thing.
Italy.
Oh, we're in Italy. Oui, oui.
No, that's France.
Oh no, that's France. What do they say in Italy?
Ciao, Bella.
Oh, ciao. Okay.
Camila?
I'm all kind of confused.
Wine. Lots of wine.
And
Where's
pizza.
Dave? He likes the wine.
I know. He's dog sitting. We're in Germany! Can you tell she's pumped? What's your favorite place?
Germany?
Yes. And all the good food and restaurants?
Oh my gosh, yes. Those pretzels.
Wow.
Pretzels, Eileen.
No, I'm sure.
I'll buy you a pretzel if you want a pretzel.
I'm
You can
good.
get cheese sauce with it.
I tried one in New York City and it was
No, that's not the same.
I know.
That's not the
That's just the
same.
big wadded dough though.
We'll wait till we go to the German restaurant to get one.
Okay.
When they're fresh and hot.
Deal. Well, I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna get this.
Toasted pretzel bread topped with Butler's ham and melted Gruyere cheese.
Okay, look at this feast from Germany. It's Donald! He's so cute! Hi! Yay! It's Minnie! Oh, it's Minnie!
Slowly.
Where is it?
On the back of your ear.
On my Mickey ear?
Yeah, he's, oh, it's so cute. Oh, he flew away. Okay, we're on the way out of the park, but we looped back around to the first place we stopped and we got the moose cups and more shrimp. So that's what we're ending with here. It was so delicious we had to come back again. We survived.
Maybe.
Oh, I'm exhausted. I feel a little bit draggled. I feel like we all need hot showers to rinse
Get the germs off.
public off, but it was an awesome time. As you can tell, I had an amazing time. There was so much food involved, and that tropical mousse cup, 10/10, would eat again. It was so good.
So while she was at Epcot, me and Brian stayed at their place and watched the puppies.
Yeah.
And then Brian and I went to Daytona Beach because this last week was Daytona Bike Week, which is it's a massive motorcycle rally. And I think I overheard someone say like 500,000 motorcycles show up from all over the world. And so I grabbed the camera. We drove down there. I filmed a lot of it. There was like, I mean, every road, every street, it was just miles and miles of motorcycles, and it was just the town like roaring and rumbling, and it was really cool. And then when Irene came back from Epcot, I gave her the camera footage.
And the file was corrupted.
I can't do anything without you.
Wah wah.
So unfortunately, all the stuff I filmed in Daytona,
Didn't
you have to
happen.
use your imagination.
We had planned to go back, the four of us, but they've since canceled all the events and stuff there, so it's pretty much done for.
Like everything else is going, so it's just we're
Yeah.
in some weird times right now, aren't we, folks?
We are, yeah. We're kind of up in the air with everything that's going on, but we're just hanging out still at our friend's place. I'll show you where we're at right now. Obviously, we have zero complaints,
No.
and we're gonna be in that pool pretty quick because it's actually getting hot enough to get in the pool.
So yeah, we're blessed to have some really good friends.
And we hope each and every one of you are healthy and happy, and we'll update you soon as we know kind of how our plans are gonna pan out here.
Yep, it's gonna definitely have to rethink some of the things we're doing. So
Yeah.
you know, we've got a van that's near completion. So if you're not, you should check out Humble Road's social media. He's been posting some teaser pics.
Oh, it looks amazing.
And it's almost done. So how we're gonna get the new van is up in the air right now, and then the sale of our van to the person in Rhode Island is
kind of up in the air
up
right
in the
now.
air right now. So we're blessed. We're healthy. We hope everything is going well for you, and that
We'll update you soon as we know more.
yeah.
Until then, carry on.
Carry on.